Bro, I just landed yesterday now. Which side you there? I did country as I talk to you now. I did country. I just did one junction like that. Bombo clad. That we still a big Turati.
Why did you touch me?
Oh babe, but I just wanted to have your number.
You want to have my number? You must you touch me? Are you out of your mind? You want to have my number? You tell me you must still touch me. That's what I'm asking. You must still touch me.
Babe, let's forget about this. After we saw this, let me just have your number. Please.
Let you have my number.
Let me just have your number. Please.
With what? With what? You want to have my number with this plastic?
Babe, just want.
You are out of your mind. I'm asking. Out of your mind.
Exactly.
I can't help. I can't help you.
Oh, she slapped. Oh my God, she slapped me, and I can't see my phone now. Where have I just?
She can't fam. You know you are.
You don't know. You don't know why it's going on.
So in our YouTube channel, in our Facebook page, in our Instagram page, we really need una support. Thank you.
We need your support. Your support.
Subscribe.
Girlfriend. We need your support. Subscribe. Subscribe. You see more of it. Subscribe.
Please, thank you. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, my name is Maserati Official. Go to Instagram, Maserati Official. Follow me up.
Go for it. Subscribe. Please subscribe. You will enjoy it. You'll see more of it. To be honest, enjoy and support. Okay, God will bless you. God will favor you. God will bless you.